Hello guys, so I hope you're all doing fantastic today, and I wanted to talk to you about Mastodon. If you haven't or have never heard of it, if you haven't, seen Mastodon, it's a Twitter-like social media platform. However, it is decentralized and not controlled centrally the same way that like something like Twitter is. And so it obviously is a more, freedom, privacy respecting social media platform. So if you're into that type of thing and you are tired of Twitter or X and you've been using those platforms, or you have never used them and you're still interested in something like them, but that's not, could be said as blatantly evil, this is a good alternative. So I am on a instance. So like the way Mastodon works is people can set up and host their own servers where everybody can join and talk with each other, and people can set up join servers together. And so you can view just your own server, or posts from everyone out there who's on any Mastodon server. Some servers don't let you get on they call it, I believe, the Fediverse. So they don't let you get on there and view all those other conversations. And some people would prefer that. I mean, if you want to join a server like that, because, there are servers out there that let anyone post literally anything, and that may not be for you. That may not be the type of experience you want. And maybe if you're younger and you would like to, not view some very adult or horrible things that you don't want to see, that's a good way of ensuring you never do. So that's pretty nice. But you have a wealth of options, and it's very cool. I'm on Mass.2. That's the instance that I'm on. I'll go ahead and post this right here. You can see I've typed up a little post. I'll just click publish, and you can see it literally works just like Twitter, except you toot instead of tweet. I don't know if they're trying to change that, but it's a toot. That's as far as I've known of Mastodon for quite a while. That's what I've always heard it referred to as. But you can post links, and there's some great stuff going on Mastodon. It's a great platform. One of my favorites is this little card tips post. It cracks me up. I like it. It's funny. I don't know. I've actually lately been really enjoying my time with Mastodon. I normally can't really get into these social media platforms, and I'm just not all into the small form posting and all that stuff. But yeah, I've been enjoying it lately, and I don't see myself stopping. So if you want to use it on your phone, there's plenty of clients for your phone. On the desktop, there is clients that you can get, but I'm going to be honest. I'm going to show you how to make the browser client even better than this. So you've got notifications where you can go in, you can see people following you, people boosting or favoriting your posts. And so you can favorite different posts and come in here and view them. You have private mentions, so people can privately at you. Luckily I can show this off because no one's done that. So yeah, but then you have a live feed, and that's for this server. And then you can do other servers and all. So yeah, you've got plenty of options here, and it looks good. I've got it zoomed in a lot here. You don't have to have it zoomed in. That's just what I've got it set at. So if you want to have let's say a little bit more of an advanced view, or this is a lot of dead space for you, and you want to consume content faster, there is some good preferences that you can go in. And if you go to the preferences appearance page here, there's a few things you can change. You can set your time zone, all that good stuff. But you have this option here for enable advanced web interface. I also turn on autoplay animated GIFs and use the system's default theme. Let's save the changes. And now if we go back to Mastodon, you'll see we have a much better view. of everything. I have my home, notifications, and then the sidebar still. So I can go through my notifications, see what's been going on while scrolling my home feed, and can still post all on the same screen. And there's much less dead space. So for me, the web browser and the web client has been plenty. I don't really see myself needing more than this. I was trying out Tuba and some other things, but to be honest, Tuba was having problems like just working. So I don't know what that was about, but personally, I've been really quite surprised with what you get with just the website. It's actually really, I mean, for a social media platform, this is probably the best that I've seen. I mean, because it does look good and has the same kind of professional theming and style of all the other social media platforms that are, what you would consider polished, but there's much less complexity. Going through the settings is extremely easy. It's like how it should be. It's not like, you're using Facebook where 13 different drop-down menus leads you to a menu page where you have to follow a hyperlink to the one setting that you need to enable to do something. So it's really nice. So definitely, if you want to come over and check out Mastodon, you can also follow me. I do have another account that I completely lost access to, but if you just search Zany on Mastodon here, you should end up, this is my old one, this is my new one. So the one with more followers that's actually, active, follow me here. Also, I doubt I'll change this picture, so just look out for that picture if you want to follow me. And hopefully I'll get to see you around. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to hit the like button on your way out, it'd be much appreciated. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of Mastodon. Tell me what you think of, just this kind of social media in general. Do you use it? Do you not? And yeah, thank you for your support. It does mean a lot. And also thank you to all my fantastic patrons that support me over on Patreon. That link will be down in the description too. Jonathan, Zach, TGB, Papa Smurf, and Matt from the Linux Cast. Boys, it's very much appreciated. It does mean a lot and it does help out a ton. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.